registering RFID tag for free. Siapa cepat dia dapat, because like now until 31st of August, like they're a bit touch and go is like offering free install of RFID tag, but limited to 20,000 users only for first. So now it's only like 2nd of August, so I'm gonna do it. Make sure you have to bring your documents, your car grant, your green card, and also your license, and also your IC, photo strat, everything, and also the most important thing, the car that you want to install your RFID tag. Let's see. Baiklah. At the wrong time. It's Friday and people like semayang Jumaat and things, so I have to wait for like 50 minutes left. Should I go eat? There you are. 50 minutes to kill. Like for now, I wanted to go to the toilet because I cannot run to pee. 50 minutes. I was about like to think like nak makan or whatever, but then 50 minutes sekejap je. Pejam celik ada lah. So what should I buy here in Paradigm? But first pergi ke tadi. I belum lunch. Not even lunch. Breakfast tu belum tu. I'm so hungry kalau I makan nanti. Like by 2:30, by 2:30 nanti orang dah ramai. I didn't want to skip the queue. So I think I just jalan-jalan at Paradigm and see what kind of tickets that I can have while killing the time. Now I only left 20 minutes. Kenyang dan kejap, sushi lah jawapan dia. This is my favorite one. My meeting. Sekejap je makan benda ni. Kejam celik tapi pukul 2:30, and I can go and be the first person in the queue after this my Jumaat. 5 minutes left for the counter to open, so we shall see. And I'm walking head to the counter of RFID tag. Let's see if I can get the good news. Is it today is my lucky day? I don't know. We're not sure. We shall find out soon. And it turns out they still mengular. Kamu yang mengular. Okay, literally gonna stand in front of here. I'm late. Is fill in the form, and also don't forget mesti ada grand you kena photostat, and also your license. Tak boleh ditunjukkan sangat. So I'm gonna write, and after I do this ni terus pergi ke tingkat B1 and install immediately. This is what you have to do. And then I harap I ingat.
300 something buat 300 plus.
Wow, my god, so lucky. Bukannya baru start semalam ke?
No, sekarang dah 2 weeks. Past 2 weeks.
Past 2 weeks?
Ya, tapi dalam iklan baru semalam.
Oh, sebab I dapat email. So, that's why I get it. The registration and filling the form just take like 10 minutes. And after that, I have to bawa my car to B1 and install and book. And next, pergi ke level B1 to fit the tag at my car. So, dia cakap hanya 2 minit je. So, we shall see 2 minit ke 5 minit ke 20 minit ke. Jangan nak kencing. Kalau nak kencing, ada tu ini. Ini kelakar sikit Dia suruh aku cari K20 tau. Aku rasa aku dah pusing. Dah bertawaf, dah jadi haji, dah hadi hajar dah aku ni kan. Aku tak jumpa K. Ni baru C, ni baru B. Buat bodoh. And then to AA plus, where the fuck is your K? K, mana kau? K. Aku nak K20. Where the fuck is K? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, lepas G. Oh, after G is K. Oh my god, where should I find it? Alah, dia berhenti sini pula. Mana tu K kau ni? I lalu terpikir because I'm fucking in a rush. My baby. Oh my god. Ni yang best ni, kita menunggu macam ni kan. Aku nak pasang ni. Yes, you do. also yang paling pantat. Asyik ni orang ni break time pula, paksa tunggu dia datang lah. Ayo. Proses. Wow, so special. Maknanya kalau I boleh jalan laju-laju je, dia dah terus detect
Tak ada laju sangat.
Laju sangat nanti terangkan palang lah kan. Mampus. Okay, nak tengok macam mana you pasang. Wow, so special. Oh, you pasang kat luar je?
Kat luar je.
Kalau I car wash ke apa,
Tak ada masalah.
dia akan melekat forevermore. Ya, even kalau I nak spray something yang rain tu pun dia okey juga.
Okey, tak ada masalah.
Macam ni je. Ish, full gila. Dia du. Oh, kena pasang kat tepi ni, bukan kat tengah.
Dekat tepi.
Oh, okey. Tak boleh ke pasang atas sikit?
Okey, kawasan yang atas ni dia tak berapa nak sensitif.
Oh, okeylah. Macam mana kalau in the future I nak buat tinted kereta I?
Okey, you just buat dulu. Nanti kalau dia tak boleh guna, you boleh datang mana-mana booth yang ada. You boleh pergi mana-mana booth yang ada. Untuk buat replacement tak
Oh, so I tak perlu bayar apa-apa ke? Tak ada, free. Kalau biasanya bayar berapa kalau dah terlambat macam ni?
Okey, kalau macam biasa harga dia tak sure lagi sebab sekarang ni memang masih dalam promosi lagi. Memang masih free lagi. Nanti baru dia akan untuk bayaran dia.
Okay, so and then cara bayar dia, I just top up through my Touch and Go apps. Okay, itu saja.
Satu hari tak boleh cuci kereta. Dan activate dalam masa 24 hours.
Oh, benda ni boleh dipakai 24 hours. So maknanya esok I boleh pakai lah.
Ya, betul.
Okay.
SMS daripada RFID baru you boleh guna lah.
Okay, alright. Dia akan bagi tahu lah. Itu saja
Itu saja.
Okay, terima kasih. So now I'm trying with my RFID tag. Okay, I have no.
Oh my god, so modern.
I have no smart tag. Okay, alright. Okay, kita lalu sahaja, kita langgar je. Dia buka ke tak? Yeah! I love you, RFID.
Oh my god, it's only a sticker, guys.
And so that is so easy. And as you guys know, you guys need to register like from 1st of August until 31st of August because Touch and Go dia bagi free RFID tag registration that you don't need to pay a single cent pun, and limited to 20,000. And the best part is kalau you install Touch and Go apps in your phone, whenever you lalu dekat tol, you get 20% rebate off until 31st of October. Kan jimat nak mampus kan. So what do you have to bring? There's a lot of branches, but then what I know ada dekat Shah Alam, yang I pergi semalam tu dekat Paradigm, and there's a lot of places lah tu, but I can't remember. I think I can share under the comments, not the comments, under the descriptions on my YouTube. And most importantly, you just kena bawa you punya grant kereta ni yang original, photostat, and your license. And if that car does not belongs to you, for example, that kereta tu kereta your boyfriend ke, your husband ke, your grandma ke, your parents ke, then you have to ask the owner of the car tulis authorization letter yang cakap yang you nak pasang benda tu. So it's so simple, just like isi borang and everything, like 10 minutes, and then nak pasang benda tu pun 2 minutes. So why not? Like smart tag pun lambat je, tengoklah lens smart tag tu macam gel je. And also the best part is kalau Touch and Go you tu, even though Touch and Go itu ada tinggal RM1, but then if you reload in your Touch and Go wallet, dia deduct terus kat situ. So don't worry, no hassle, tak perlu pergi ke tambah tol punya things. But sadly, RFID tag tu ada limited lah place, but then I really enjoy it. So go now, grab it fast before it's too late, because I dah tanya dah berapa harga kalau nak pasang, and then they also have no idea. So you need to register it now. It's for free though. Kat Penang pun ada, kat JB pun ada. Rugi tu kalau dah free kan. Orang Malaysia kan suka barang yang free. So go get your RFID tag registered now. Don't forget to subscribe if you love my video.